We're staring through the glass, waiting for a sign, for the greater breakaway and the sun to finally shine. But the forecast says the clouds are here to stay, and we're just throwing all these precious hours away. Why are we hiding? Why are we so afraid of a little bit of water and the shadows in the shade? The sky doesn't owe us a clear blue day. The wind is gonna blow, it's gonna have its way. But you can't find the light if you're hiding in the hall. You've gotta learn to stand when the drops begin to fall. 'Cause life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's not about watching the sand fall through the glass. It's about the rhythm, the step, and the grace. Learning how to dance with the rain on your face. Let the thunder roar, let the lightning fly. I'm finding my heaven in a stormy sky. Yeah, we're dancing in the rain. Look at the flowers, how they drink the pouring rain. They don't ask for shelter, they don't complain. They know the struggle is the only way to grow, when the deepest roots are the ones the tempest knows. So take off your coat, leave the dry ground behind. There's a different kind of freedom that you're gonna find when you stop fighting what you can't control. The thunder starts to sound like music in your soul. Don't let the fear keep your heartbeat still. If the world won't change, then your spirit will. It's a beautiful mess, it's a wild, wet world. Let the banners of your courage be unfurled. 'Cause life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's not about watching the sand fall through the glass. It's about the rhythm, the step, and the grace. Learning how to dance with the rain on your face. Let the thunder roar, let the lightning fly. I'm finding my heaven in a stormy sky. So let it pour. I'm not waiting anymore. One step, two step into